Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use AI to generate personalized workout plans. So to do that, for this case, I'll open Gemini as my AI. So quickly, when you open Gemini, you come to this search over here and then paste in this prompt, which says generate for me a personalized workout plan or schedule. Okay, so you tap on that send, and then within a second over here, okay, it could start up the prompt. Okay, so quickly, here's the workout plan it's giving me. It says I should consider the following. On Monday, I could warm up and also strengthen myself by training. Then on Tuesday, I could rest. On Wednesday, I could warm up, do some cardio strength, cool down again, and then rest on Thursday. Then on Friday, I repeat. Then on Saturday, the AI says I could do some yoga or swimming. So Sunday could be a resting. So quickly, that could be my personalized workout plan for this week. And that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.